Ever enter a trade and get stopped out right before price reverses in your favor? The problem isn't your instincts. It's not knowing where the real support and resistance actually are. That's where the Figurelli Pivot Indicator comes in. It automatically plots your central pivot point, plus multiple support and resistance levels, S1, S2, S3, and R1, R2, R3, right on your chart, updated in real time. Here's how you trade it. For a buy, wait for price to pull back into a support level like S1 or S2. Look for a bounce or a bullish reversal candle like a hammer or bullish engulfing. Confirm with RSI above 30 or a bullish MACD crossover. Enter as price turns upward, stop loss below that support, and target the next resistance level. For a sell, wait for price to test a resistance level like R1 or R2. Look for a rejection like a shooting star or bearish engulfing candle. Confirm with RSI below 70 or a bearish MACD crossover. Enter as price turns downward, stop loss above that resistance, and target the next support level. Pro tip: always check multiple time frames. A level that looks strong on the 1-hour chart might mean nothing on the daily. Combine time frames for stronger, more reliable signals. With clear levels and simple rules, this indicator takes the guesswork out of your entries and exits. Want it for free? Head to Forex MT4 Indicators.com and grab the Figurelli Pivot Indicator, plus more free templates today.